Hey, good to see you guys. Welcome to another one. We're out in the bush today. I'm going for a bit of a drive, a bit of a four-wheel drive track to our spot that we're going diving at today. Stick around, should be good. Oh. Hey guys, I made it down to the beach. Such a nice place.
Look!
Beautiful weather.
Look at that.
A few boats out there.
Daddy, look.
But
Look.
Oh, there we go. Look.
Blue bottle.
Nice little blue bottle. Watch out for it, sweet.
I know.
Maybe I should watch out for her. I'm the one bare feet. But yeah, I'm gonna go for a bit of a dive. It's not along the rocks there, but yeah, no, it's still gonna be a bit rough. It was nice and calm this morning. Might try a different place. We'll see how we go. But it's a nice little beach. Bit of a climb down the hill. Oh no!
Oh,
It got me.
that's why
I was saying it's a bit of a climb down the hill to get here. So we parked up on the top of the hill there and climbed down onto the rocks. But yeah, we'll see how we go. It should be good. Oh, alright guys. I think we're gonna have to go back up to the car and carry all our stuff down the cliff again. Well, not again, but so we can go for a swim. All the way up there. Not looking forward to it, but here we go. Oh, man, I think that's a steep bit, all the way down there. Look at the rest of it.
Yeah, taking the view from here, guys.
Oh,
I
man.
didn't expect all rocks down there. I just expected
Oh, I'm stuffed.
these.
Oh, hopefully we can get all this stuff down in one trip.
These.
All right, we made it. Got our gear, and we are just getting ready. So we'll probably start just over here. Maybe go around some rocks there and then head out that way. Should be right. The swell's not very big. I think it's like a 2 meter swell today. But the spacing's like 18 or 19 seconds or something, so it's not too choppy. But yeah, I'll see you in there. All right, sweet. I got a new toy, guys. So I picked this up from Trailblazers this morning. It's a Mirage 90mm spear gun. So never used one before. We'll see how I go. But should serve us a bit better than the hand spear. All right, sweet. Time to go in. Alright, well, as usually happens when we go out, the sun's gone, and it's cooling down a bit, but the water's super nice. It's a bit cold, but it's alright. Saw lots of fish down there, but there's these little brown ones, like, I don't know, about that big. I don't know what they were. Never seen them before, but if you know, chuck a message in the comments. No idea what they were. Saw a big school of herring shoot past. I don't know if they got in the shot or not, but they were kind of heading out towards the point over there. So I might follow them. Wouldn't mind a bit of a like a couple of herring or something nice. Some heathers. But yeah, looks like the boys are having a blast. But there's a few rocks around here. It's just in this whole little area. So I'll finish scooting around here and then we'll head out towards the point, see if there's anything decent out there. He's not bad size. He's not bigger underwater. He's like a monster. But he's right. Keeper. What a day. Had a pretty good session. Caught, was it Hayley? Two
leather jackets. One
wrasse. You got a big wrasse.
Yeah, on the rod.
And
my rod snapped.
And I got a big flatty.
My rod snapped.
Hayley snapped her rod.
On a snag.
That was her rod from when she was really little, so it was probably on its way out anyway. But yep, loaded everything up. Now it's time to go back up the hill. Oh, we're up. Just got changed. Sorting out stuff from the car. Kids are playing a bit of archery.
Hello.
Nice. Do a few shots, guys.
Okay.
We'll show up.
I'll hold it.
But check out that view. Look at that sunset. So good. So there is a bit of a wind. I think it's east-northeasterly. But this hill that we kind of like tucked behind is sheltering us from pretty much all of it. So it's quite nice. We might stay here. Got my swag and a tent for the kids. So I think we'll just set it up. I'll probably go swag on the roof of the car, chuck the tent in the ground behind the car. And then we don't have to drive all the way out here, which is it's only like half an hour, but tomorrow morning wake up and we're here already, so be nice. But yeah, get to having dinner soon, cook them fish.
Oh, that's gonna be amazing. I love leather jackets.
So good. A couple of leatheries. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what people think about leather jacket. Like, I quite enjoy them. I think they're not a bad tasting fish.
Yeah, they're delicious.
They're a little bit tougher than other fish.
Yeah.
Like, not tough, but like not as fall apart in your mouth kind of texture. But they're nice. I like the flavour of them. They're good.
Delicious.
So I think they're really underrated. But because yeah, I grew up in Tassie and we'd caught leather jacket all the time. And we always ate them. Just they were good. Got lots of flatties and can't remember what else we caught.
Dad used to catch
Crap, really?
nothing
Nothing
Dad
decent.
used to catch flathead all the time, he said. But this is like I think this is going to be our first time trying flathead. No,
Yeah.
we've tried flathead.
No, we had some in Bremer a couple of weeks ago when we were there.
Nah, remember it got all rotten because Hayley knocked it over accidentally.
Ah, that's right. Yeah.
but yes.
We filtered all the fish when we were out camping at Bremer, and
Hayley accidentally.
they got left overnight uncovered and out of the esky.
And
so they went
Hayley
gross.
took all the water out.
So it's a bit of a waste of a few fish. But oh well, lesson learnt.
Could
What are
have
you
used
doing?
them for bait, but you didn't want to because I was smelly.
Well, fish don't really like eating rotten bait, I don't think.
Fish love fish. So yeah,
But
we're
wait,
gonna
guys, look at that view. Would you look at that view? How good is that?
Oh, that's good. Oh, look, and there's a birdie.
And there's no wind. Like, no wind where we are.
Only a little bit.
A little bit. Well, that apart from that gust, as soon as I say there's no wind, a gust come.
Okay, now put your finger here to like kind of rest it on there, and then take your finger off and let go. Now when you let go, go like that, like boom, like that, like this. Okay.
Yep. Whoa, nailed it.
Nice.
Good shot.
My turn. This bow is awesome. It's called the Black Hunter recurve bow. It's like a hunting bow. Black Hunter recurve. It's actually a longbow. Black Hunter longbow. But it's like a hunting longbow, which you don't get as often as compound bows.
Yeah.
And I was fortunate enough to get it for pretty cheap compared to other longbows.
Yeah. So how much was it?
140.
Where from?
Alibaba or Amazon or something like that.
I think it was
Alibaba. It was Alibaba.
Alibaba, yeah.
But it's actually pretty good quality considering where it came from.
Yep.
Yeah, and it took like weeks to arrive.
But it did take 8.
And then it went back to China.
This is how much
It went in.
Alright, I'm just getting Kate a bit.
The first little bush there is my target. Little bush on the road.
Close.
Oh, very close.
My turn. I'm gonna aim for that bush too.
Alright, I'm going to start getting dinner ready.
Okay, so my turn to shoot the bow. I'm gonna aim for that first little bush there. You can see. Probably won't do that well. I'm not that good at archery. A root. Better than expected. So,
Hit this root right there.
no, didn't hit that one. It hit right there. That,
pretty
and
decent dead.
you can see that, and then went wee. So
That
didn't
bush
aim for
is
that.
what it was aiming for. Right, good job, Jay. Now let's go cook dinner.
Alright, hey legends. How's it going? We're just going to cook dinner, but I want to set up a chair up first so I can sit on something. I'll show you this chair I got. This is like a lightweight hiking chair by iClimb. It's an awesome little piece of kit. Like weighs barely anything, solid as, and it's just awesome. So I'll set her up and I'll give you a look. And she's done. So easy. The frame's all metal. It's actually pretty thick as well. It's not solid, but they're pretty thick metal poles. These legs come with these sand feet, so it doesn't sink into the ground when it's in sand, which they work really well. It's got like little hooks on the back, or little tags you can put carabiners or whatever, hang stuff on there, Velcro, some more on the top, straps there, pocket down there, so you can put a drink in there. I put my drink bottle in there if I'm sitting, or even a beer or something you could put in. Handles on the side. It's just a awesome bit of kit, and it weighs like barely anything. Chuck it there. It's solid. Like you can move around in it. Like if you want it like rocking chair, you just lay back, and because the poles are flexy, they're super strong, but they're flexy. So you kind of rock back and forth, which is really nice. You can't do that in any other camp chair that I know of. Yeah, she's a good little chair. I love using it. So anyway, let's get on to cooking dinner. Got stuff everywhere. Should have brought a table, but I'm trying to pack everything in the back of the car, and I could be stuffed bringing 500,000, you know, different things. So it's minimal. We've got food. It's pretty much just the fish we caught. Did we bring breakfast, guys?
Well, we bring wraps. Hot chocolate. Oh yeah, we bring drinking.
Yeah, we brought some instant coffee sachets and some hot chocolate, so we sorted for tonight, but
might have to go for another dive tomorrow.
yeah, there's plenty of food here we'll find.
We're going fishing tonight anyway. Might
Yeah.
catch a big salmon.
Makes it more fun when you have to catch your own food, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Even if it tastes, you get to cook it, and it tastes better when you're camping.
Everything tastes better when you're camping.
I'll try and make this a bit leveler.
There we go. Are you putting the fish in?
I will.
Oh, next lizard fight.
Doesn't want to stay on there. There we go. All good.
What fish do we have, Daddy?
What fish? You want to start with
Flathead?
yours, your wrasse. I don't really like wrasse. They're
The
they
big,
taste
fat
kind of
and chewy.
average, and well, they're not bad,
Like
but they're not like,
the one we caught the other day, that was good.
they're not worth eating either.
I
If
caught it
you're
on the
desperate,
rod.
then yeah. Haley caught this on a little pink rod, tiny little thing, and this wrasse was like,
Big.
Like
man, he was
this big.
50 centimeters, 45, 50 centimeters. He was a horse.
Didn't break
But,
up.
It was like a little kid's rod as well, which snapped after getting snagged as well.
So I'm just going to put tons of spices on it, and
No!
this slimy, crappy meat should taste better.
Seasoning's always better.
What spice is that?
This is all-purpose spicy blend.
Spicy!
It's not super spicy, Haley. It's not like,
I don't mind a bit of spicy.
oh look, the moon's out up there.
I know,
Oh, wow,
it's
that's
always
bright.
out.
Useful.
Oh, I can smell it from here. Me too, I can smell it.
It smells
already.
delicious.
I can smell the spice. Oh, I don't need to cook it.
I put the skin side down and it's shriveled up.
Oh well, that means we get a roll.
It does smell good.
Oh, it smells amazing.
More seasoning!
What's next?
More seasoning, Daddy!
Oh, what's that?
So we've just got random little sizes of fish, because
We had the
Kids-
worst filleting knife.
kids are still learning how to fillet, and you know, even the fish I filleted were jolly average. So didn't bring our good filleting knife.
This one is terrible as.
It's so blunt, and but it's all we had. So
Terrible.
yeah,
I'm excited for the flathead.
Yeah, the flathead
Hayden's going to taste delicious.
Flatty's going to be good. There's lots of bones in it, but no, we'll eat around them. But it makes you appreciate having a good knife when you do have a good knife. Because, mate, nothing I hate worse than blunt knives. It's just not cool.
The mozzies here are crazy as well.
There's some air guard in behind the driver's seat in the car.
Remember when we didn't have the GoPro and we just filmed it so bad?
Filmed it on the phone?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at the flathead. Wait, what's that?
that's the flatty, I think. Can you not stand in the light, buddy? Thank you.
I got it here. Something like that. Shut your eyes and shut your mouth. Yeah, I'm good. The smell is good. Finish this one before we get the big one.
Not much.
Now you make guys. Dad, now have another meal with this. Look at the flathead. Oh, we just added another flathead on it.
More flatties in. That's a full pan.
Dad, I can't see. I want to watch it.
This is the leather jacket meat. It's delicious, but it's so underrated.
For the flathead?
No, we won't do that in yet. We'll wait until Hayley's fishing done.
Oh, that looks delicious.
Yeah, I think that wind's changing direction a bit. There's a bit of breeze coming
I can't feel any wind.
through here now.
Yeah, so it must be coming from that side. Hayley's huddling behind the car and she can't feel it.
Yeah, and the door's there.
Yeah, too.
So it's completely...
It's on full. Yep.
Yum, yum.
Oh, it
Oh,
smells just delicious.
it is smelling good. And tasting good. The sunset. Oh, beautiful.
Oh, beautiful.
That sky's lovely.
Oh, an oil painting.
Awesome.
Hold it. It's fine. No, that's a beetle. It's breathing. What I said.
I'm not freezing.
Oh, guys, we're going to cuddle up together. Oh, yeah, I heard that. In our sleeping bags.
This heater is actually pretty hot.
I think we should put the rain cover on. I'm always in the middle because we'll get so much wind if we don't put the rain cover on. Guys, I'm always in the middle when we snuggle up because I'm the most snuggly. You think we're all going to face the same way? Yes. And then just pull it.
Piece of leather jacket going on. Yummy.
Getting spices everywhere. There you go.
Watch out, the light.
Who's excited?
Me.
This is your little. I'll fill it. Caleb.
Oh, that's nice.
I'll chuck that in with no spices here. Suck up some from the juices.
That's spicy. Is it? You want this? Yeah.
Just got our big leathery.
So yummy.
Oh, it's delicious. Those spices are good.
Yeah, that's nice. Hey, watch out the light, Jen.
Just got this one to go.
So that's how I fillet them. I think I'll fillet them from now on. It's just easier. So you get the guts out, cut the head off, and then I'll pull the skin. Pull the skin off. Skin comes off super easy because
That's only
it's
with,
kind of
like-
leathery. Then I cut the fins and the tail off. And that's like, you just pick on that, pick around the bones, because there's a ton of bones in these. But you know, all the small fish kind of
Oh yeah, there's even bones
have
down
bones
there.
and stuff in them. A bit of guts there. Look at that. But yeah, not a bad little fish.
And when you catch fish your own, it's way better than buying, because all the fish that you buy in the shops,
freezer for like
it still tastes they're all like mushy and yucky.
They still
and,
taste
like,
yum.
turn into mush in your mouth. These ones, just tell me that doesn't look better than bought fish. That looks amazing.
Alright, let's taste.
Okay,
Oh, yeah,
I'll
cool.
tell you it doesn't look better than bought fish.
And that's a
That is
lie.
pretty good.
Here, Caleb. Ow.
That's
Let me
hot.
try.
And that was your wrasse, Haley.
That's really good. That's really good.
Nice.
Get him.
Is that the wrasse as well?
Yeah.
I can't wait to taste the flathead. Oh, it smells amazing.
I wish you guys could smell it. It's so flavourable.
You're kind of blocking the light there.
So yeah, all it is what, like olive oil and spicy mix, all-purpose spicy blend.
It's a really good mix together.
Does the
with
job.
fish.
We've been out in the water all day, so we're probably pretty starving as well. So
Except we had some cake. Like some cook.
yeah,
Have some.
If you don't
had
know
some cooked slice for lunch.
don't know what cook is, it's a type of cake and it's really good.
Dutch
It's a
cake
Dutch cake
that
bread thing.
my mother makes, kids' grandma.
Because
And,
we're
um,
Dutch.
Yeah, we're Dutch.
They love it.
It's delicious. You've got
Oh,
to try it
beetle!
one day. Yeah, the big beetle that keeps flying around somewhere.
Alright, time to get this stuff out. Pretty cooked. Trying to keep this pan on the cooker. Oh, stop it.
Oh, it's so sizzling.
It is.
Oh, I didn't use it. Out of the light, Jaden.
Oh, that's a fair bit of food. Weighty bit of meat.
Yummy.
Ready? Yes.
Heaps of spices.
The big one now.
Whoa. Stay on there. There. Get in them juices.
Spices.
Is that like, will them juices soak into the fish?
Yep.
Oh, I can't wait.
Yum, 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 yum. I just can't wait.
Smells delicious. This is gonna be good.
Oh, lovely.
Oh,
Oh, it's like crispy.
You hold that, Caleb.
tops it off. Which one should we try first? I want to try flathead first.
All right. Dinner time.
Can we start with the wrasse?
What do you start with? Yeah, start with yours. That's
Yeah,
this big
start
one,
with the wrasse.
big one down the bottom.
How is it?
I haven't tasted it.
Yeah.
100.
Is that leathery?
Leathery next? Actually, wait. Yeah, we only have leathery next.
No, I think that's wrasse. No, that's leather jacket.
What's this?
Taste it straight away. The meat just kind of holds together better, like more on the leather jacket.
Yeah, it does.
Doesn't fall apart as much.
No.
I said before it's a bit tough, but it's not tough. It's just
Really
the
nice.
texture's a bit different than other fish.
Oh, this is really good.
But it's got a nice flavour
This
to
is
it.
a leather jacket.
I really want to
Worth having. Anyway,
How is the leather jacket?
but rate out of 10. Russ,
5.
Not the best.
5.
I'm gonna.
I'll go
No, I just dropped some leather jacket.
I'd probably give it a 5.
I'll give
It's
it.
maybe a 6, depending how it's cooked, how you season it.
I'm doing it at 6. I mean, 5.5. Which one is this?
What's next?
Leather.
We've only got
Leather.
leather.
Leather jacket?
Yep.
No, we've tried the leather jacket.
No,
What's
we
the
haven't.
rate out of 10?
Oh,
I haven't had leather jacket. This is still
Haven't had
flatty.
any.
well, there's heaps of. This is leather jacket.
Get some
No,
leather
it's
jacket
not.
in you.
I'm gonna have this.
Uh,
No. Is this leather or is that rust?
That's Ras.
Leather? Is this leather jacket? No, I think that's flatty.
What more flathead? I reckon the flathead out of 10.
This is a leather jacket, Jodie. Just
I'm giving the
take a bit out of
flathead
that.
out of. I'm giving the flathead an 8.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Yeah. I'm giving it an 8.5.
The meat is just.
Yeah, I reckon, for me, flatty's 9 out of 10. It's,
Actually,
It's
yeah,
an
I'm
awesome
gonna
fish.
do
I
9.
like it.
It's so good.
9.5.
And then that's gonna be 8.5. Leather
Yeah.
jacket. The leather jacket is perfectly seasoned.
Hey, that's only that one.
Could I have some?
oh,
I'll hold it. You can
so
have
messy.
Thing is,
Yeah, but
so
messy, but so good. Messy's the best part.
flathead
Oh, that crunchy bit.
flathead has a venomous spike, and
It's not really. Oh, flathead.
and
It's not really venomous. That's what I found out. Found my leather.
Found out that it's not venomous.
Look, Dad.
Honey.
It's not really venomous. It's just a spike.
So,
And
what's the rate for
Leather?
the leather jacket?
8.5.
8.5.
8.5.
8.
So the winner.
Same as flathead.
No,
No,
I'm
Is it?
changing. No, my one's mine.
9.5 for a flathead.
Yeah, my one's 9.5.
All right.
And you get lots of them in this area as well.
Yeah, I agree. I
leather
reckon leather jacket, probably 8 for me. Yeah, 8, and then flathead will be solid 9. But no, it's good fish.
Bit spicy.
Decent meal.
Yeah, it's flat.
Bit more food to pick through. We'll leave it there, guys.
And then we're gonna go fishing.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't
We've
it
still
too
got to
dark?
set up the tents.
Oh, look
So-
at look at
Right.
the.
Be back with you in a minute.
Look.
Alright guys, we're all set up. Got the tent there. Caleb's sleeping on the ground, I think, on that little blow up mattress. And I got my swag there, so kind of squeezed in here behind the back of the car. But yeah, should be right. It's pretty dark. Can't see much really. There's the moon, but yep. Oh, it's nice and warm. It's not a freezing cold night. Not really any strong wind, so it's good. All right, see you in the morning, guys.